Welcome back to the time and distance of basics. Today we are going to see some very important concept, early late concept. If you observe that early late concept, these are the key points you have to remember. In your question, if you observe late early combination or early late combination, add the times given. Okay. If you observe late combination, early combination, subtract the time. That means, okay, in your question, if you observe late early or early late combination, add the given times. If you observe late early combination, subtract the given time. First of all, first problem carefully observe. I hope that you can understood this type of concept. You can able to solve the question very easily if it is in this concept. Is it clear? Now let's see the question. A man goes to his office by scooter at a speed of 30 km per hour. Okay, let us consider. Okay, first of all I am going to rub this. Okay, that means what they are saying, that a man is going to his office by scooter at a speed of 30 km per hour and reaches, observe this word, 6 minutes earlier. Okay, remember that earlier is there. If he goes at a speed of 24 km per hour, he reached 5 minutes late. Is it clear? That means the distance is same in this concept. In this early late concept, every time distance is same. What they are saying means a man is going to his office by scooter at a speed of 30 km per hour. If he goes at a speed of 30 km per hour, he will reach 6 minutes earlier. Okay. If he goes at a speed of 24 km per hour, he reaches 5 minutes late. Observe, there is earlier and late. Therefore, the time should be added. Is it clear? That means 5 minutes plus, if you observe the 6 minutes plus 5 minutes, which is equal to 11 minutes. But what is the difference between these? Always you have to remember that time 1, difference of time 2. This is a very important keyword. Time 1, difference of time 2, which is equals to 6 minutes plus 5 minutes. Why? Because earlier late combination is there, which is equals to 11 minutes. Now we know that speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore time is equals to what? Distance by speed. We don't know distance. The distance of his house is in kilometers. We have to find out the distance. Therefore, let us assume that distance by speed. What is the first speed is given? 30 km per hour. Don't forget, minus. Okay. What is the second speed? 24 km per hour. Distance upon 24, which is equal to 11 minutes. Okay. Convert this minute into hours. Therefore, 11 by 60 hours. Is it clear? Now if you observe what is the LCM, I am going to take in this manner. 30 into 24 is my LCM. 30 gets cancelled, then 24D. Is it clear? Difference of 24 cancel, 30D, which is equals to 11 by 60. Don't be confused. It is difference, not subtraction. Okay, what is the difference? 60 is the difference. Is it clear? 60 by 30, 24 is equals to 11 by 60. Now if you observe that 6 ones are, 6 fours are you clear? Then if you observe that what is D here? Anybody? What is D? If you observe what is D? D can be written as 11 by 60 into 30. Okay, 11 by 60 into 30. Is it clear? And we have 4 also, 30 into 4. Is it clear? Now if you observe that 31s are, 32s are, 2 ones are, 2 2s are. That means 11 2s are what? 22 km. Is it clear? Once again observe that the combination is given as earlier late combination. Therefore we have to add the time. Always in this type of problem, take the difference of 2 times, T1 difference T2 is equals to, there you have to decide based on this keywords, earlier late or late earlier. Is it clear? Okay, we will see the a second problem. Is it clear? We will see the second problem in the next class. Okay, understood this? We will see this type of problems in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. If you are having any doubts, please comment. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.